In this video, I'll guide you through how to apply for a Discover credit card. Whether you're looking to build credit, earn rewards, or simply want a new card for everyday use, Discover offers a variety of options to suit your needs. Let's dive into the simple steps to get started with your application. First, you'll want to visit the Discover website. This is the go-to place for all things Discover and where you'll begin your journey to obtaining their credit card. Once you're on the site, look for the option to check if you're pre-approved. This is a handy tool because it gives you an idea of your eligibility without affecting your credit score, which is a smart way to explore your options without any risk. After you've checked your pre-approval status, it's time to choose the credit card that best fits your lifestyle and financial needs. Discover offers a range of cards, each with unique benefits like cashback rewards or travel perks. Take your time to review the different cards and their features. Consider what benefits are most important to you and align with your spending habits. Once you've selected the card that suits you best, proceed to complete the online application form. This form will require some personal details, so make sure you have everything ready. You'll need to provide your social security number, which helps verify your identity and assess your creditworthiness. Additionally, you'll need to disclose your income and housing information. This part of the process ensures that Discover can offer you a credit limit that fits your financial situation. Before you submit the application, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Accuracy is crucial here to avoid any delays or issues with your application. Double-check your entries to ensure everything is correct and up to date. Once you're confident that all the information is accurate, go ahead and submit your application. Discover is known for providing a quick decision, so you won't have to wait long to find out if you've been approved. If your application is approved, you'll receive your card details and further instructions from Discover. They'll guide you through getting started with your new credit card, from activation to understanding the card benefits. And there you have it, the straightforward process of applying for a Discover credit card. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the benefits and convenience of your new card. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your application.